Alright, so let's have a look at another question from the 2020 HSC Standard 2 paper. So this is question 21. So we're told the inflation rate over the year from January 2019 to January 2020 was 2%. So we're told inflation rate was 2% over that year. The cost of a school jumper in 2020 was $122. So the 2020 price was $122. Calculate the cost of the jumper in 2019, assuming the only change in cost of the jumper was due to inflation. Okay, so there's some 2019 cost here, which we'll call C, and C, when increased by 2%, will give us 122. So this tells us that C multiplied by 1.02 is going to be equal to 122. Divide both sides by 1.02, and this tells us that C is equal to 122 divided by 1.02. We get 119.6078, 119.6078 ... So the cost in 2019 was going to be $119.61 to the nearest cent. And you can actually check this answer. So you can increase, just as a very quick check, you can say, okay, 119.61 times 1.02, 119.61 times 1.02 gives you 122.00. 122.00, and so you know, therefore, this must be the correct answer. Now let's look at the marking. We get 2 marks here. The first mark will be for attempting to solve this question. So some algebra that attempts to get a solution, trying to work with, let's say you decrease 122 by 2%, that's incorrect because increasing something by 2% is not the same as decreasing that higher thing by 2%. But some attempt will get you the first mark. The second mark you'll need to get 119.61.